I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play you.
I didn't want to put this mousse on there, but I want my curls to stay defined, but still big. This is wrapping mousse. I'm using the Lotta Body. And so this is not really for, it says defined curls, but we know it's not really for this. We know Lotta Body is really for wrapping your hair. And we're just gonna see how it's gonna work today. I also don't want them to be like stuck. Your girl is feeling herself now. I love this hair, as y'all can probably tell. This is my second time installing it. I had it on last time and it was perfect. It stayed on. I like that the frontal is big head friendly. The cap itself is big head friendly, so I have like it's not short in the back. The comb can go all the way down and everything. And so I really love this hair, especially the natural look that it has. That's what makes it absolutely my favorite, is that it looks a lot like my natural hair, and it looks like natural hair. So now it was laid a lot more a couple of days ago, but y'all, like, this is probably like a week later. I have right here on the screen kind of like some specs and stuff of it. I didn't just sprayed it. I done went to the gym and everything with this hair, so it got a little crusty. But I love this hair. Let me go get my spray bottle. But this hair, it really is like, I like that it's very kinky. It looks the most like my actual hair. Now, I know I say that about everything, but it really does look like the most like my natural hair if I would have put some blonde highlights in it. I love it because it does look a lot like my real hair. If my real hair was healthy and highlighted. I'm just obsessed with this one right now. Like, I'm just too obsessed with it. This was on Amazon. This was an Amazon wig find. I don't know exactly how much it was. I want to say it wasn't no more than $120, $130. It's a frontal, but the parting space goes all the way back here. So it is a deep one. I think it's a 13x6 frontal. So it is a very deep frontal. I didn't do any customization to the lace. So I was really trying to get it on really quickly so that I could do a review for it, a TikTok for it. And I didn't do any customization to the lace. I just put the hot comb on there and laid it down. And baby, it is good. And y'all, I even laid this with Got to Be Glue, the gel. So like I said, it looked crusty now, but when I first did it, it was laid. But I really want to get the Ghost Bond glue. Not Ghost Bond glue. I want to get the boho glue by a Black creator on TikTok, because I'm trying to get Black owned as we can get. You know, we had a little situation a few months ago, so I want to get that glue next, and I'll use it. But the lace was really good. I did do makeup on the lace. I put some of my Fenty Beauty mocha something, the bronzer, on the lace, and got it a little darkened. But it laid easily, child. It laid easily. And it stayed on because I went to an Afrobeats party. And y'all know it be hot up in them parties. And it's still on. It's still on since the party. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Especially like, I had it in a claw clip a couple of days. I was like, ooh, who is that? So I love this hair. Definitely get it. It is linked below. So thank y'all for watching, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.